Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today I am going to discuss some important Q4 result which came yesterday, Saturday on only, and with that I will discuss upcoming Q4 results also for next week, and along with that I will discuss global market and then Nifty Bank chart. We'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll discuss the level for next week. So, to know the stock market update, Q4 update, and the Nifty Bank levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index update and stock market update and stock in news. So before starting the video, I want to just quickly discuss that I have made the important video of Bajaj Finance, which I'll give the link in I button. All the information about the corporate action happening from the Bajaj Finance, the bonus dividend and split and Q4, all the thing about the Bajaj Finance I have discussed in that video. You should definitely go through that video, which is very important before the record date. So now I will go to the Q4 result, and in my yesterday video, the second video is Nifty 50 levels for next week. I have discussed important news also, so you should also go through for that video which I have posted yesterday on Saturday. And in Saturday video only, yesterday video only, I have mentioned that today means Saturday, some important Q4 was scheduled to give their post their earnings, Q4 earnings, and they have posted. So yesterday they have posted the result. In short, I am going to discuss that Q4 results. In short, I will discuss. You should go through detail and upcoming Q4 results also I will discuss. So let's start one by one. First of all, the I have shared that SBI is going to post their result. SBI, Kotak, CDSL, and DMart. That all four result has come. And if first we talk about the SBI, the SBI has posted their result, and the result is again means not that good. It is disappointing because SBI's net profit falls 10%. The 10% in net profit गिर गया है in this month for this quarter, and it has come now at 18,643 crore. So from the 18,643 crore पे आ गया है SBI का net profit, or all the thing you can see this. NII is at 42,775 crore, which is okay, up by 2.7%, and net profit I already discussed that has fallen. And gross NPA is also 1.82, which is positive. Okay, NPA गिरता है तो positive होता है, and net NPA is also positive. It has fallen at 0.47%. So second result was Kotak Mahindra Bank result, which is also uh, not that good. Even their profit also has fallen to 14%. 14% fall happened in the net profit, and you can see that net profit has fallen to 14%, and it is now at 3,552 crore, and NII, net interest income, at 7,284 crore, which is 5.4% up, and NPA is also has fallen that 1.42, and not net NPA at 0.31%, which is also positive. 10 bps का fall हुआ है. Quickly you can see this also for Kotak Mahindra Bank, which was also scheduled to post it there, so that is also not good. SBI is not good. Kotak Mahindra Q4 result is not good. Now we'll go to the DMart DMart result. Before that, let's discuss CDSL result. So CDSL has also posted disappointing result. We can say the result is not at all good. Revenue has fallen, PAT has fallen, EBITDA has fallen. You can see everything has fallen. Even margin has come down at 48.7% from 61.5%. So this result also is bad, I can say, not good at all. And CDSL वैसे भी anyways you can see 6 months से तो market is in downward, तो CDSL में क्या ही profit होगा. So this is also not that good. And the fourth number result we discussed, that is DMart. DMart also posted their Q4 result. Revenue is of course positive at 14,872, which is 17% revenue has increased y on y. और अगर EBITDA देखें तो it is also at 1.2%. And yes, margin is down by by 100 bps. Yes, मतलब in 7 point, अच्छा ये तो एस्टिमेटेड है. एंड नेट प्रॉफिट इज ऑल्सो डाउन बाय 2.2%. तो इसमें भी डी मार्ट ऑल्सो हैज नॉट posted good result. The net profit also down by 2%, around 2%. तो यू कैन सी आई हैव डिस्कस इन शॉर्ट जल्दी जल्दी. नेट प्रॉफिट भी डाउन है डी मार्ट का. रेवेन्यू ऑफ कोर्स 17% अप है. एबिटा इज ऑल्सो 1.2% अप है. और मार्जिन भी डाउन है. इट हैज कम टू 6.4% टू from 7.4% to 6.4%. It has come with y on y, which is not good at all. So it was short information about the important Q4 result I have discussed. You should definitely go through the detailed Q4 result. और अपकमिंग रिजल्ट की बात करें तो यस, नेक्स्ट वीक इंपॉर्टेंट जो अपकमिंग रिजल्ट है, तो नंबर वन इज M&M, कोल इंडिया. And M&M is going to post on 5th of May. Coal India is going to post their Q4 earning on 7th May. Asian Paints and L&T Titan, these three are very important companies which are posting their result on 8th of May. Please keep these date in your mind, and definitely should definitely check these Q4 result. Asian Paints, L&T and Titan, both, all the three companies posting their result on 8th May, and 9th May is Dr. Reddy. So these upcoming result which is coming next week, or all the information I have shared which was important to share, you should definitely check all these, watch all these information in next week. Okay, now I'll quickly go to the global market. And if we see global market में क्या चल रहा है, तो you can see here Nifty 50 is at it was okay. It was 0.5% up tha on the Friday. And BSC is also positive, and Nifty Bank is also looking little bit positive. And if we talk about the Dow Jones, in means last Friday, the US market was just booming, and you can say DJI at 1.39%, S&P 500 at 1.4%, or Nasdaq भी 1, more than, even more than 1.5, around 1.5%. All the three indices was up. And yes, Indian market is not that good on Friday, but we'll see in next week what is happening, as the US market is looking very good in Friday. Quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart and quickly discuss what is happening in Nifty Bank chart. Nifty Bank chart, you can see I've drawn these 2 3 lines, very important. You can see this is also forming a very good flag kind of thing, flag pattern. And this line which I have drawn, this line is very important support for the Nifty Bank, which is 54,300, around 54,300. I see very good support for next week. Yes, and even for short term means next week के लिए तो ये अच्छा सपोर्ट है. अगर कोई बड़ी बैड न्यूज़ नहीं आती, निफ्टी बैंक definitely should take a support here, which you can see. This is almost from here to here. Nifty Bank has taken a very good up move. You can see एकदम back to back up move हुआ है till here, and from here it has taken resistance. See, from here it was totally was going upside, and here it has taken resistance at 56,000 around 100. 56,100 पे इसने resistance लिया, and from here it has given good fall from here to here. And see, that day also it has taken resistance at 54,300. That's why I'm telling this resistance is very important, because on this day, 24th 25th of April, it has taken the resistance and given the closing above that, and that's why I'm saying this resistance is very important. And again it went upside, again it has taken. So this line, you can see this trend line which I have drawn, which is a flag upper side also. This is looking very important resistance, this line. Okay, you can see this line is very important, can become a very important resistance. Wherever it has opened, it has closed the same place, and you can see opened at 55,100 and when closed at 55,100, means the heavy selling happened at this level, this trend line resistance level, which is 55,000 700 800 अराउंड 700 अराउंड ये था। तो यही ट्रेंड लाइन है विच इज टेकिंग मेकिंग अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस फॉर द निफ्टी बैंक. So from here to here, then again resistance, then again going back to this level. So this level is important support till Nifty Bank is not breaking this level. I'm not going beyond this level for the support. I'm holding this support for the next week. और ऊपर के लेवल पे यस, अगर ये ट्रेंड लाइन टूटी, if the Nifty Bank is breaking this trend line, definitely my resistance will be the same 56,100 till 56,100. I'll wait. After breaking this 56,100, Nifty Bank may go more. Nifty Bank may give more upside after 56,100. So 56,000 is ultimate resistance, 56,100 actually. And before that this line is resistance. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. We'll watch next week these levels which I am discussing, and keep in your mind that this level is very, this trend line is very important, or this line is very important. So overall, if we go to the conclusion, we can see the Nifty Bank important support is 54,300 around, and important resistance is this trend line, which is I can say पहले तो 56,000 पहला ही सब रेजिस्टेंस होगा, उसके बाद 56,100 होगा, एंड देन we'll see what Nifty Bank is going to do next week. तो अभी के लिए I'm not jumping above than this line, this resistance. और finally Nifty Bank important level for next week, support 54,300 and resistance 56,100. So this was uh, detailed analysis of the Nifty Bank chart and the all information I have shared. Please keep in your mind and keep watch all the Q4 results. The level I will repeat again for the Nifty Bank. Important support is 54,300 and resistance is 56,100 for next week. And please like and share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for these kind of important information about the stock market update and indices levels for weekly update. Stock market pulse, signing off.